Welcome to our step-by-step guide on assembling an elegant indoor flag stand. Let's get started. First, carefully remove the base from the box and protective wrapping. Remember to lift the stand from the bottom, as there's a loose steel insert inside for added stability. Next, take the decorative rings for mounting the flag. Unscrew them and thread the clamp screw through the grommets at the top and bottom of the flag, ensuring the clamp balls are on the same side. Slide the rings with the attached flag onto the top section of the pole. Make sure to push the upper ring deeper onto the pole to easily slide on the lower ring. Tighten the upper decorative ring to prevent the flag from sliding down. Place the decorative finial, either a ball or a spearhead, onto the top of the pole with the flag attached. It should fit loosely. Insert both lower segments of the pole into the base, ensuring it is placed in its final location. Make sure to insert the segments with the tapered ends facing up. Gently press the pole down to stabilize it in the base. Slide the 3D spreader onto the second segment of the pole, with the prongs facing upwards. Be careful not to over-tighten. Add the top segment with the attached flag and decorative finial to the pole. Ensure the flag is oriented correctly. Slide the lower ring down to tighten the flag, and then secure the ring in place to prevent any movement while adjusting the tension. Wrap the flag around the 3D spreader to ensure there are no creases. If the spreader extends too far, adjust its height. The flag looks best when its bottom corner hangs along the pole, fully displaying its design. All done. Now you can enjoy your national, union, club, or organizational flag, beautifully displayed on your elegant stand in any indoor setting. Thank you for watching. Enjoy your new elegant flag stand.